Get into it, man. Alright, let's roll around these guys. Yeah, so do you know this track at all?
Oh, from looking at a piece of paper.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, too easy, man. Yeah, that first up, we just get a feel for where we're kind of going, where we have to place the car. We'll go from there.
Easy,
we've got plenty of laps, so keep on going.
Yeah, no, I'm looking forward to it.
Alright, let's crack into it. Keep it in third gear, right?
Alright.
Third, yeah, trust it. So the first 3 corners are all in third gear. So basically turn 1 here, 90-degree right, basically all in third. So we turn in, there's our coins where we want to place the car. And then we want to really try and keep the car to the left through here. So keep turning left, and then turn hard right. Use a tiny bit of braking to help us turn the car as well. Then go back on the power, let it wash out. Alright, so we just follow the car to the right over the crest, up to 4th. Grab 4th, there we go. And this is just a lift, so lift off, nice and gentle, wait for it. Wait, patience, finger it on. Alright, now bring the car straight to the left, we've got a hard braking. So on the brakes, third gear, that's our hairpin up here, right? So keep braking and turn in. We really have to stop to this one. Yeah, good work. Now for this next right, we really need to stay right. So keep turning right, keep coming, even if you have to come at throttle, and then straight into here. And let it fade out over the crest. So keep coming, keep washing out. And this one's the tough one. Lift off the throttle, wait for it. A lot of patience. Wait, feed it on. Yeah. And then keep turning, you're not done yet, keep turning. 4th gear. Alright, now this one, 90-degree right, on the brakes. Third gear. We can brake a bit deeper, you're quite good on the brakes, so that works. Wait for it, it's sharp. There we go. You've got to make sure you're driving off the corner, not in. Alright, right, and then a little bit of braking as we turn in, nice and early though. This one will suck you out if you're not careful. Alright, that's our first lap, man. Up and forward. Like the entry, right? Fade to the right, so this guy. And on the brakes. Down to third gear.
Well, yeah, we can brake a lot later there.
Yeah, we can brake definitely later there. We just were a bit compromised, so wait for it.
Oop.
You're good.
Maybe a little bit more brake there.
Alright, now really turn in nice and hard. And there you go, fade it. Keep on it, you're good. Nice. 4th gear. Yep, great. And just lift off throttle. Then we go, no need for brake, it upsets the car, so feed on the power. Keep bringing the car to the left though. Keep coming to the left. On the brakes. Third gear. Then keep braking. Yes, we turned in a little early there, that one.
Yep.
So it just narrowed the corner, so we really want to try and wait as much as we can. Right. Tiny bit of braking as we turn in, and you want to carry the brake into the corner. And then wait for it, off throttle, we're just rolling. Wait for it. Lead on now. Straight right, keep turning right, you're not done yet, keep turning. 4th gear. Nice job. Now on the brakes, now out of this corner, we're going to stay to the left, okay, because there's a fast car coming, alright? Alright, good luck, man. A little bit of braking as we turn in. Nice and early for this one, wait for it. Again, we want to, there's the cone and the apexes. We're only grabbing the throttle at the cone or after.
Alrighty.
Never before, because we'll end up, it gets all out of shape with rear-wheel drive. Make sure we're doing that at the cone or after. Alright, keep going. And brake. Harder than that, brother, come on. You're good. Yeah, nice. Now, off the brake, right now. Go back to throttle. And then, throw it left. Really chuck it in. Now, a little bit of braking. We want to turn into 3 a little bit earlier. Just waiting a hair too long. 4th gear. Again, we're just lifting off the throttle. Nice and gentle in. Wait for it. Feed it on. Keep coming to the left. And we turn in a little later, alright? So on the brakes. Harder than that. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, turn in. Bang. Right hard. Really good. Now back to power. Keep going right, even if you have to go off the throttle, and brake, but carry it into the corner. So brake into the corner. Yeah, there you go. Back. Well, yep. We're going up and clean this guy up, alright? So I might have to just cruise up behind him. There you go. On the right. Let's go. Good work. Good work. Nice and hard. We want to try use the brake, not like an on and off switch, but you brake and then feed it off. Alright. Like you're braking and then just jumping off. Okay. On the brakes. Third. Now slowly bleed off, but keep pressure. Yeah, there we go. So it keeps the weight on the nose. Truck it left. Now turn in earlier, alright? Now. Yeah, perfect. Keep it turning, keep it turning. Feed the power on. So if you can carry that brake into the corner, it'll help it turn. Alright. It'll give you more grip. Fourth gear. And just lift. Nice and gentle. Feed it on. Bring the car to the left. On the brakes. Harder than that. Yeah. Now carry the brake in, remember? Again, you trail the brake off. Back to power. Alright, keep it right, keep it right. Here we go. Wait for it, wait for it. Wait, there we go. Patience again. Feed the power on. Keep turning, keep turning. There we go. On the brakes. Third gear. Now again, carry the brake in. So we want to try and trail that brake off earlier. Yep. So you want to try and come out of the brake earlier, but it means you can carry the brake into the corner. That's what we're going to try and do. So again, 5% brake, tiny bit, and brake into the corner. So we're braking not later, but less. Less pedal. Fourth gear. Keep going. And on the brakes. Third gear. Trail off. There we go. Turn it in. Power. There's our power back. Right on the brakes. It's very rare the customer drives hard enough that it cuts the power, so that's a good thing for your half. Fourth. And off throttle. Wait for it. Feed it on. Yeah, killer. Ready. Brake. Hard. We're going to carry the brake in. Remember, carry it into trail. Brake, throttle, sorry about that. Good. Tiny bit of braking. Now we want to carry the brake. We don't want to just stab it. Yeah. We want to try and brake less. Lift off, patience. There you go. Off here. On the brakes. Good work. Turn in. Now this corner, I want you to brake like 5% pressure, hardly at all, but you carry it all the way in. So don't brake later, just brake less. So tiny bit, turn in with it. Back to power. And we get just even less than that. Fourth gear. Alright man, I'm gonna kind of leave you to it. Yep. You're gonna be quiet, I only have to talk if I have to, alright? Have fun. time buyer, right? Alright, let's follow this guy in here. Very well done, man.
Unreal. Thank you for that, mate.
Yeah, so I mean, for you at the moment, the biggest thing is just your braking. So what we're doing is, you know, we're coming into brakes maximum on 100% brake, but as we get closer to the corner, we're still 100% brake. So if we trail that brake off, we can carry the speed into the corner and keep the weight on the nose. So when the weight's on the nose, it gives it grip. The same way if you put the weight to the rear, it takes away grip from the front. So you want to try and carry the brake in. But no, very good job, man. How you feeling?
Bloody good. That was unreal, and I've never thought about doing the brakes like that before. So
yeah, honestly, get home, because I'm sure you're all into it with gloves and everything. Search up some trail braking videos on YouTube.
Yeah. Yep.
Just about motorsport trail braking. That stuff's super important.
Mitch, you swap these?
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, but search it up, see what you think. Trail braking.
Well, David, no, thank you very much, mate. That was
Thank
bloody
you.
unreal.